Welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writers Atelier channel. My name's Racquel Henry, the founder here at Writers Atelier, and I'm going to give you all a pep talk in a 1-minute video. So today's Motivational Minute is really quite simple. We talked today on the WAIG page about slowing down and appreciating the writing journey that you're on. So my question to you today is, when was the last time you slowed down and appreciated where you were on your writing journey? Whatever it is that you've done this far, whether it is completing an entire novel or a short story or a novella, maybe you wrote a paragraph yesterday, whatever it is that you've done, take just a second to slow down and be thankful about where you are and actually how far you've come. At the end of the day, it's a lot further than you were yesterday. All right? Hope you like this video, and if you do, please be sure to actually give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. I'll see you on the next Motivational Minute. Bye.